Hello job seekers. Welcome to our channel Career Connectivity 365. I have a wonderful job opportunity for you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe along with notification. Comment will make us work forward on job updates as per your requirement. A like would be appreciated. Designation plus organization. Deputy Manager, Data Scientist. State Bank of India. Job highlights. Experience 3 to 8 years. Location, Navi Mumbai. Technical skills, data scientist, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, data center operations, big data technologies, machine learning. Job description. 1. The process of registration is complete only when fee is deposited with the bank through online mode on or before the last date for payment of fee. 2. Before applying, candidates are requested to ensure that they fulfill the eligibility criteria for the post is on the date of eligibility. 3. Candidates are required to upload all required documents, brief resume, ID proof, age proof, caste certificate, EWS certificate, home certificate, if applicable, educational qualification and certifications, experience etc. Failing which their candidature will not be considered for shortlisting, interview. 4. Shortlisting and interview will be provisional without verification of documents. Candidature will be subject to verification of all details, documents with the original when a candidate reports for interview if called. 5. In case a candidate is called for interview and is found not satisfying the eligibility criteria, age, educational qualification and experience etc. She will neither be allowed to appear for the interview nor be entitled for reimbursement of any traveling expenses. All revisions, corrigendum opening parenthesis if any, will be hosted on the bank's website only. 8. In case more than one candidate scores same marks as cutoff marks in the final merit list, common marks at cutoff point, such candidates will be ranked in the merit according to their age in descending order. 9. Hard copy of application and other documents not to be sent to this office. Total no. Of jobs 11. Scale of pay 31,705 minus 1,145 over 1 minus 32,850 minus 1,310 tenths minus 45,950. Ages on the 30th of June 2020 in years. Min. 24. Max. 32. Selection process. Shortlisting and interview. Educational qualification as on the 30th of June 2020. Basic qualification. B. Tech, M.Tech in computer science, data science, machine learning and AI, minimum 60% marks compulsory in B. Tech B. Other preferred qualification, MBA, PGDM with specialization in finance and any certification in milliliter, ALP, natural language processing, web crawling and neural networks. Experience on the 30th of June 2020. Minimum 3 years of overall post-basic education qualification, experience in related field. Preference will be given to candidates with experience in financial sector, bank, NBFC, insurance, investment firms. Specific skills required sad face preferred. Natural language processing, web crawling and neural networks. Machine learning, artificial intelligence and parsing. 2+ years experience with programming languages frequently used in data science, R, Python. Knowledge of Java would be a plus. Familiarity with cloud-based application, service development. 2+ years experience in relational databases or any NOSQ databases including graph databases. Excellent communication skills and ability to work as part of a multicultural and geographically distributed product development team. Self-motivated, proactive and demonstrating an exceptional drive towards delivery. Familiarity with developing models using semi-structured as well as unstructured data. End-to-end experience from data extraction to modeling and its validation. Experience of working in a project environment as a developer. Job profile. Implement machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, parsing tools to improve the operational efficiency. Designing and implementation of big data scalable workflow systems using big data technologies. Deliver new functionality for the internal production platform and the client delivery platform. Closely collaborate with product management, business, quality assurance, data operation and IT infrastructure. CRAS. Project on advanced machine learning, deep learning, big data, artificial intelligence. Collaborate with business, data operation and IT infrastructure. Note. 1. The number of vacancies including reserved vacancies mentioned above are provisional and may vary according to the actual requirement of the bank. 2. The educational qualification prescribed for various posts are the minimum. Candidate must possess the qualification and relevant full-time experiences on specified dates. 3. Candidate belonging to reserved category including person with disabilities for whom no reservation has been mentioned are free to apply for vacancies announced for unreserved category provided they fulfill all the eligibility criteria applicable to unreserved category. 4. Caste certificate issued by competent authority on format prescribed by the Government of India will have to be submitted by the SC, ST, OBC candidates. 5. Reservation for economically weaker section EWS in recruitment is governed by Office Memorandum No. 36,039/1, 2019 Ist. Res. dated the 31st of January 2019 of Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions, Government of India. Disclaimer: EWS vacancies are tentative and subject to further directives of Government of India and outcome of any litigation. The appointment is provisional and is subject to the income and asset certificate being verified through the proper channels. 6. Benefit of reservation under EWS category can be availed upon production of an income and asset certificate issued by a competent authority on the format prescribed by Government of India. 7. Candidate belonging to OBC category but coming in the creamy layer are not entitled to OBC reservation and age relaxation. They should indicate their category as general or general O as applicable. 8. A declaration will have to be submitted in the prescribed format by candidates seeking reservation under OBC category stating that he/she does not belong to the creamy layer as on the 31st of March 2020. OBC certificate containing the non-creamy layer clause issued during the period the 1st of April 2020 to the date of interview should be submitted by such candidates if called for interview. 9. Pond candidates should produce a certificate issued by a competent authority as per the Government of India guidelines. 10. Maximum age indicated for general category candidates. Relaxation in upper age limit will be available as per Government of India guidelines. 11. In cases where experience in specific skill is required, the relevant experience certificate must contain specifically that the candidate has experience in that specific skill. 12. In cases where the certificate of degree, certificate, diploma does not specify the field of specialization, the candidate will have to produce a certificate from the concerned university, institute, college specifically mentioning the specialization. D. Call letter for interview. Intimation: call letter for interview will be sent by email or will be uploaded on bank's website. No hard copy will be sent. A. Selection process. The selection will be based on shortlisting and interview. Mere fulfilling minimum qualification and experience will not vest any right in candidate for being called for interview. The shortlisting committee constituted by the bank will decide the shortlisting parameters and thereafter, adequate number of candidates, as decided by the bank, will be shortlisted and called for interview. The decision of the bank to call the candidates for the interview shall be final. No correspondence will be entertained in this regard. Merit list for selection will be prepared in descending order on the basis of scores obtained in interview only. In case more than one candidate score the cutoff marks, common marks at cutoff point, such candidates will be ranked according to their age in descending order, in the merit. F. How to apply. Candidates should have valid email ID which should be kept active till the declaration of result. It will help him/her in getting call letter, interview advices etc. By email. Guidelines for filling online application. Pay the application fee using internet banking, debit card, credit card etc. E. Candidates should first scan their latest photograph and signature. Online application will not be registered unless candidate uploads his/her photo and signature as specified on the online registration page under how to upload document. E. Candidates should fill the application carefully. Once application is filled in completely, candidate should submit the same. In the event of candidate not being able to fill the application in one go, he can save the information already entered. When the application is saved, a provisional registration number and password is generated by the system and displayed on the screen. Candidate should note down the registration number and password. They can reopen the saved application using registration number and password and edit the particulars, if needed. This facility of editing the saved information will be available for 3 times only. Once the application is filled completely, candidate should submit the same and proceed for online payment of fee. IV. After registering online, the candidates are advised to take a printout of the system-generated online application forms. Guidelines for payment of fees. I. Application fees and intimation charges, non-refundable, is 750 only, for general, EWS, OBC candidates and no fees for SC, ST, PON candidates. E. After ensuring correctness of the particulars in the application form, candidates are required to pay the fees through payment gateway integrated with the application. No change, edit in the application will be allowed thereafter. Fee payment will have to be made online through payment gateway available thereat. The payment can be made by using debit card, credit card, internet banking etc. By providing information as asked on the screen. Transaction charges for online payment, if any, will be borne by the candidates. IV. On successful completion of the transaction, a receipt and application form, bearing the date of submission by the candidate, will be generated which should be printed and retained by the candidate. V. If the online payment of fee is not successfully completed in first instance, please make fresh attempts to make online payment. Y. A provision is there to reprint the a receipt and application form containing fee details at later stage. V. Application fee once paid will not be refunded on any account nor can it be adjusted for any other examination or selection in future. G. How to upload documents. A. Details of document to be uploaded. I. Brief resume, doc, docx, PDF. E. ID proof PDF. E. Proof of date of birth PDF. IV. Caste and pawn certificate if applicable. V. Educational certificates, relevant mark sheets, degree certificate PDF. Y. Experience certificates PDF. V. Form 16 PDF. V. Recent photograph. X. Signature. How to upload documents, CONTD. B. Signature file type, size. I. The applicant has to sign on white paper with black ink pen. P. The signature must be signed only by the applicant and not by any other person. P. The signature will be used to put on the call letter and wherever necessary. IV. If the applicant's signature on the answer script, at the time of the examination, does not match the signature on the call letter, the applicant will be disqualified, not applicable. V. Size of file should be between 10 kilobits 20 kilobits and dimensions 140 by 60 pixels preferred. Y. Ensure that the size of the scanned image is not more than 20 kilobits. V. Signature in capital letters shall not be accepted. C. Photograph file type, size. 1. Photograph must be a recent passport style color picture. 2. Size of file should be between 20 kilobits 50 kilobits and dimensions 200 by 230 pixels preferred. 3. Make sure that the picture is in color, taken against a light colored, preferably white background. 4. Look straight at the camera with a relaxed face. 5. If the picture is taken on a sunny day, have the sun behind you, or place yourself in the shade, so that you are not squinting and there are no harsh shadows. 6. If you have to use flash, ensure there's no red eye. 7. If you wear glasses, make sure that there are no reflections and your eyes can be clearly seen. 8. Caps, hats and dark glasses are not acceptable. Religious headwear is allowed but it must not cover your face. X. Ensure that the size of the scanned image is not more than 50 kilobits. If the size of the file is more than 50 kilobits, then adjust the settings of the scanner such as the DPI resolution, no. Of color etc. During the process of scanning. D. Document file type, size. R. All documents must be in PDF format. R. Page size of the document to be A4. R. Size of the file should not be exceeding 500 kilobits. In case of document being scanned, please ensure it is saved as PDF and size not more than 500 kilobits as PDF. If the size of the file is more than 500 kilobits, then adjust the setting of the scanner such as the DPI resolution, no. Of colors etc. During the process of scanning. Please ensure that documents uploaded are clear and readable. A. Guidelines for scanning of photograph, signature, documents. Copyright. Set the scanner resolution to a minimum of 200 dpi dots per inch. Copyright. Set color to true color. Copyright. Crop the image in the scanner to the edge of the photograph, signature, then use the upload editor to crop the image to the final size, as specified above. Copyright. The photo, signature file should be JPG or JPEG format. I. A. File name should appear as Image01. JPG or Image01. JPEG. Copyright. Image dimensions can be checked by listing the folder, files or moving the mouse over the file image icon. Copyright. Candidates using MS Windows, MSA Office can easily obtain photo and signature in JPEG format not exceeding 50 kilobits and 20 kilobits respectively by using MS Paint or MSA Office Picture Manager. Scanned photograph and signature in any format can be saved in JPG format by using Save As option in the file menu. The file size can be reduced below 50 kilobits, photograph, and 20 kilobits, signature, by using crop and then resize option. Please see point I and E above for the pixel size in the image menu. Similar options are available in another photo editor also. Copyright. While filling in the online application form, the candidate will be provided with a link to upload his/her photograph and signature. F. Procedure for uploading document. R. There will be separate links for uploading each document. R. Click on the respective link, upload. R. Browse and select the location where the JPG or JPEG PDF file has been saved. R. Select the file by clicking on it and click the Upload button. R. Click Preview to confirm the document is uploaded and accessible properly before submitting the application. If the file size and format are not as prescribed, an error message will be displayed. R. Once uploaded, submitted, the documents uploaded cannot be edited, changed. After uploading the photograph, signature in the online application form, candidates should check that the images are clear and have been uploaded correctly. In case the photograph or signature is not prominently visible, the candidate may edit his/her application and re-upload his/her photograph or signature prior to submitting the form. If the face in the photograph or signature is unclear, the candidate's application may be rejected. D. General information. Copyright. Before applying for a post, the applicant should ensure that he/she fulfills the eligibility and other norms mentioned above for that post is on the specified date and that the particulars furnished by him/her are correct in all respects. Copyright. Candidates belonging to reserved category, including for whom no reservation has been mentioned, are free to apply for vacancies announced for unreserved category, provided they must fulfill all the eligibility conditions applicable to unreserved category. Copyright. In case it is detected at any stage of recruitment that an applicant does not fulfill the eligibility norms and/or that he/she has furnished any incorrect, false information or has suppressed any material fact, his/her candidature will stand cancelled. If any of these shortcomings are detected even after appointment, his/her services are liable to be terminated. Copyright. The applicant should ensure that the application is strictly in accordance with the prescribed format and is properly and completely filled. Copyright. Appointment of selected candidate is subject to his/her being declared medically fit as per the requirement of the bank. Such appointment will also be subject to the service and conduct rules of the bank for such post in the bank, in force at the time of joining the bank. Copyright. Candidates are advised to keep their email ID active for receiving communication with call letters, interview date advices, etc. Copyright. The bank takes no responsibility for any delay in receipt or loss of any communication. Copyright. Candidates serving in Go, Quasi-Go offices, public sector undertakings including nationalized banks and financial institutions are advised to submit no objection certificate from their employer at the time of interview, failing which their candidature may not be considered and traveling expenses, if any, otherwise admissible, will not be paid. Copyright. In case of selection, candidates will be required to produce proper discharge certificate from the employer at the time of taking up the appointment. Copyright. Candidates are advised in their own interest to apply online well before the closing date and not to wait till the last date to avoid the possibility of disconnection, inability, failure to log on to the website on account of heavy load on internet or website jam. SBI does not assume any responsibility for the candidates not being able to submit their applications within the last date on account of aforesaid reasons or for any other reason beyond the control of SBI. Copyright. Decisions of bank in all matters regarding eligibility, conduct of interview, other tests and selection would be final and binding on all candidates. No representation or correspondence will be entertained by the bank in this regard. Copyright. The applicant shall be liable for civil, criminal consequences in case the information submitted in his/her application are found to be false at a later stage. Copyright. Merely satisfying the eligibility norms does not entitle a candidate to be called for interview. Bank reserves the right to call only the requisite number of candidates for the interview after preliminary screening, shortlisting with reference to candidates' qualification, suitability, experience, etc. Copyright. In case of multiple application, only the last valid completed application will be retained and the application fee, intimation charge paid for other registration will stand forfeited. Multiple appearance by a candidate for a single post in interview will be summarily rejected, candidature cancelled. Copyright. Any legal proceedings in respect of any matter of claim or dispute arising out of this advertisement and/or an application in response thereto can be instituted only in Mumbai, and courts, tribunals, forums at Mumbai only shall have sole and exclusive jurisdiction to try any caused dispute. Copyright outstation candidates, who may be called for interview center after shortlisting, will be reimbursed the cost of traveling by AC3 tier, mail, express only, for the shortest route in India or the actual travel cost, whichever is lower, on the basis of actual journey. Local transportation will not be reimbursed. A candidate, if found ineligible for the post, will not be permitted to appear for the interview and will not be reimbursed any fare. Copyright at the time of interview, if called, the candidate will be required to provide details regarding cases pending against him, her, if any. The bank may also conduct independent verification, inter alia, including verification of police records, etc. The bank reserves right to deny the appointment depending upon such disclosures and/or independent verification. Copyright. Bank reserves right to cancel the recruitment process entirely at any stage. Industry type: banking, financial services, broking. Functional or analytics and business intelligence. Role: analytics manager. Employment type: full-time, permanent. Education: B. Tech, B. A. in computers. MBA, PGDM in finance, MTech in computers. Doctorate not required. Thank you. Stay tuned for upcoming job updates.